this is Mike Hartley, the Golf Irrigation Manager at Turf Equipment and Supply Company, and this is the November 2019 video update. Have you registered for our hands-on pond build next week at Catoctin Wildlife Preserve? Join us to learn from the best. Get your questions answered on design, installation, and maintenance of intake bays and wetland filters, two of the hottest trends in the water garden industry. Ed Ballou, the pond professor from Aquascape, will provide a hands-on learning experience with your peers that allows you to learn and network with the best in the industry. Register today on the Events tab of our website. The Toro Performance Parts Quick Reference Guide have shipped to you for the 2019-2020 maintenance parts sale that begins this month. Order $3,000 worth of Toro Performance parts from November 1st, 2019 through April 30th, 2020 and receive your choice of either a Nike Performance half-zip pullover or a Carhartt thermal line jacket. Keep your Toro equipment operating at its peak performance every day with genuine Toro parts. Call us today to place your order. Our winter service promotions have begun for all your commercial equipment needs. Have our factory-trained and certified technicians service everything this winter, from your Toro Groundsmaster 5910s to your Workmans and Procore aerifiers, so that they are ready in the spring. We have service facilities conveniently located in both Jessup, Maryland, and Westchester, Pennsylvania. Visit our newly redesigned website for all the program details and pricing. Have you registered for Toro NSN Regional LYNX training events? We will be hosting 2 events this December to help you learn LYNX software and hone your computer skills. The first session is December 3rd and 4th in our Westchester, PA training facility, then on December 5th and 6th in our Jessup, Maryland location. Visit our website under events for full details. Register now as space is limited. With the winter months and snow looming ahead of us, be prepared this year with the Toro Polar Track system. This innovative system transforms the Groundsmaster 7200-7210 into a powerful snow removal machine. The patented Polar Trac system is ready for all winter conditions with its heated hard cab, advanced rubber tracking system, and quick connect attachments. With its zero-turn radius capabilities, you can remove snow from the tightest areas. Don't wait for the snow to start falling. Contact your territory manager for more information. Registration is now open on our website for Turf Equipment University 2020 Professional Development. We are hosting 2 identical sessions in February 2020 at Normandy Farm in Bluebell, PA, and then Turf Valley Resort in Ellicott City, Maryland. The theme this year is professional development, so we will have experts speaking about communication, leadership, labor shortage solutions, HR compliance, and many more topics. Visit the Events tab on our website for complete details and registration. Please remember that all Turf Equipment and Supply Company branches will be closed on Thursday, November 28th and Friday, November 29th, so our families can count their blessings and enjoy Thanksgiving with our loved ones. You are vital to our success, and we are thankful for you and your business. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And that's the Turf Equipment Supply Company video update for November 2019. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.